Number 16, it says the length of a rectangle is 1 inch less than 3 times the width. And we know that the perimeter is 38 inches. We are going to find out the length and the width. And because we're talking about rectangle, let's draw a rectangle. And the way that we're going to label the picture is that I'll label this as my length, and that's how we write L in math. And I'll label this as the width. Okay. And let's see. Let's make some connections between the length and the width. It says the length of a rectangle is 1 inch less than 3 times the width. Okay. So we know this is the width. We're going to first multiply by 3 and minus 1. That will be the length, which will be 3w minus 1, like that. So we have the width, and the length is 3w minus 1. And then we are going to use this information. The perimeter is 38 inches. And for perimeter, I'll just use P for perimeter. That means you are going to add all the sides together. So I have L here, W here, and W here. I will just write this as 2L, 2 of the L's right here, plus 2W, 2 width right here. Okay? And now we are going to just plug in everything that we know. Perimeter is 38, and that equals to 2 times length. I will just write down as 2, and the length is 3w minus 1. 3w minus 1 goes inside this parentheses for the length, plus 2w. And you see, this way, we can come up with an equation that only involves one variable. Okay, that's the most important part in this equation. And then we can just solve this equation normally. I have a 2 in front of this parentheses. I will have to distribute the 2 inside, and I will write down as 38 equals to 2 times 3w. That will get us 6w. 2 times negative 1, which is minus 2, and plus 2w like that. And then that's combined terms. We have 6w here and 2w here. That's 8w. So we have 38 is equal to 8w minus 2, just like that. And to solve for w, I will need to add 2 on both sides. Cancel this, add 2 on both sides. Okay. Then we see that 38 plus 2 is 40, equals to 8w. And one more step, we can solve for w. Divide both sides by 8. This way, the 8 cancels out, and 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. So I know the width, the w, is equal to 5. And once again, we are not done yet. Whenever you have a word problem, make sure that you answer what the question is asking. We got the width, that's the w. We also need to find out the length. And we know that the length is equal to 3 times w minus 1. So just plug in into that equation. Length is equal to 3w minus 1. And we can just do 3 times w, which is 5. Minus 1, and 3 times 5, which is 15 minus 1. And of course, that's equal to 14 for the length. And to answer this question, I'll write this down as the length. I'll just write down in words. The length is 14 inches. And while we have the width is 5 inches. Just like this. Okay? And you must label your numbers. The 14 is for the length, and the 5 is for the width. And since it's a word problem, make sure you attach a unit. We have inches in this case. That's it.